Hey kiddos, for today's math lesson, you will need lesson 7-6. You will find this on page 395. This is a 3-page lesson. You will also need either a pencil or a crayon. You can pick. If you need to, go ahead and pause the video so that you can go get your materials and then come back and push play when you're ready to begin. All right, let's take a look at this front page. Remember, on this first page, I always want you to just try and see what you can do all by yourself before we get started with the rest of the lesson. All right, are you ready to listen? Marta has 10 puppets on the stage. 4 of them leave the stage. How many puppets does Marta have left? What number sentence can you write to solve this problem? You can use real counters or draw a picture to show your work. I'll read it one more time. Marta has 10 puppets on the stage. 4 of them leave the stage. How many puppets does Marta have left? Pause the video, try this by yourself, and then push play, and we'll check our work together. All right, what did you do for the part when I said Marta has 10 puppets on the stage? I like to draw my picture first. I'm going to use counters to represent the puppets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are the 10 puppets that Marta has on the stage. The next part of the problem said 4 puppets leave the stage. What will we do with that part? How can we show that 4 of the puppets are leaving? This is a takeaway story, so we are going to X out 4 of the puppets. How many puppets does Marta have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She has 6 puppets left. Now, let's write a number sentence that matches this picture. Remember, we start with the whole amount. How many puppets did Marta have? She had 10. Since this is a takeaway story, we use the minus sign to show that some of the puppets left. Remember, 4 puppets went away. If you don't remember, you can go back and count. How many did we X out? 1, 2, 3, 4. We write equals because that means is. 10 take away 4 is, or 10 minus 4 equals. How many are left? 6. Kindergartners, we've been working really hard on subtraction. Today, we are going to continue that work and keep practicing writing subtraction sentences that match our pictures. Let's take a look at today's learning video. Here we go.
What do you see? You see puppets. How many puppets are there in all?
Remember, in all means the whole group.
There are 5 puppets in all. How could you use counters to show a subtraction story about the puppets? You could use counters to show that there are 5 puppets in all. Then you could take away some counters to show subtracting. How many subtraction stories could you tell with 5 objects or counters? Think about this question as you do the activity that comes next.
Let's go try.
Drag the counters out of the frame to show subtraction. How many counters are left?
Remember, we start with the whole amount. How many counters are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 counters in that cube. What happens if I take out 1? Since I took 1 counter out of the box, this now shows 5 minus 1, or 5 take away 1. Now it shows 5 minus 2, or 5 take away 2. Remember, we started with 5 counters in all. That amount did not change. Even if I take 2 of them out of the box, we still have 5 in all. This 2 represents the 2 that were taken away. We're going to keep working on that.
Now look at these counters. What subtraction story do they show? These counters show that 2 puppets are taken away from the group of 5 puppets. How many puppets are left? 3 puppets are left. You can show this story by writing a subtraction sentence. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Name the sign that means subtract. The minus sign means subtract. Name the sign that means is the same as. The equal sign means is the same as. What number tells the difference? The number 3 tells the difference. Now you have learned how to write subtraction sentences using minus signs and equal signs to show differences.
All right, go ahead and turn your page. And let's take a look at number 1 star, and we'll do that together. Here we go. We are going to write a subtraction equation that matches the picture. First, we need to know how many are in the whole group. That means we count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 puppets. I know that this is a takeaway story because I can see that one of them is X'd out. We use the minus sign to show takeaway. The next number we write is the number that shows how many are being taken away. That means, how many of these puppets have an X on them? 1. The equal sign means is or is the same as. We'll talk some more about that later. Now we need to find how many are left. What is 6 minus 1? Now we count the puppets that do not have an X on them. They're the ones that are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 puppets left. 6 minus 1 equals 5. Let's take a look at these puppy dog puppets, and we'll write a math equation that matches that picture. First, we count all of the puppets, the whole group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 little puppy puppets. I know this is a takeaway story because some of those puppets are X'd out. Remember, we write the minus sign to show takeaway. Next, how many puppets are being taken away? Let's count the ones that have X's on them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 puppets were taken away. What does that equal? 7 minus 4 equals, now we count the puppets that are left. 1, 2, 3. 3 puppets are left. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Turn your page. Let's do some more practice together. Oh, let's look at these little kitty cat puppets for number 3 fish. First, we count all of them, the whole group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 kitty cat puppets in all. This is a subtraction story. Write the minus sign. How many puppets are being taken away? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 puppets being taken away. What is that? What is 8 minus 4? Now we count how many puppets are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write the 4. This shows 8 minus 4 equals 4. Remember, we can also do subtraction on our fingers. Put up 8 fingers. Do it with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 fingers up. My 8 fingers stand for the 8 puppets. Now, we're going to take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many puppets are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 minus 4 equals 4. All right, let's try another one. Number 4, heart. What do we do first? Count all of them, the whole group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 again. 8 in all. Minus, because this is a takeaway story. How many are being taken away? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What does that equal? 8 minus 5 equals, how many are left? 1, 2, 3. 3 are left. 8 minus 5 is 3, or 8 minus 5 equals 3. Let's do one more together, and then I want you to try some by yourself. Of course, we're going to do number 6, coffee cup, because that's my favorite one. And I know a certain little someone who probably would like to count these puppets because they're kitty cats. Do you know who I'm thinking of? First, we count them all, the whole group. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cat puppets. Now, this is a takeaway story, so we write the minus sign. I know it's takeaway because some of these puppets are X'd out. Next, count how many puppets are being taken away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 puppets being taken away equals, what is 9 minus 6? What does that equal? Which puppets do we count now? Now we count the ones that did not get crossed off. We count the ones that are left. 1, 2, 3. 3 puppets are left. 9 minus 6 equals 3. Great job. Turn your page. All right, independent practice. I want you to try these all by yourself. I want you to write a math equation that matches these pictures. I want you to try number 7 Christmas tree, number 8 flag, and number 9 kite. And then I want you to stop. Pause the video, and I want you to try those 3 all by yourself. I'm going to go ahead and do the work too, and then I want you to check your work when you come back. Push pause now, and then push play when you're all done. How did you do? Go ahead and look at my answers and check your work. If you made a mistake, go ahead and fix it. For number 7 Christmas tree, the equation that matches this picture is 6 minus 1 equals 5. Remember, you can push pause at any time so that you can catch up. Number 8 flag, the equation that matches this picture is 8 minus 2 equals 6. For number 9 kite, the equation that matches this picture is 7 minus 4 equals 3. All right, let's try number 10 house together. Listen closely. Marta has 8 puppets for the puppet show. She has to take some of the puppets away to be fixed. And now she has 5 left. How many puppets got taken away? Oh boy, this is a tricky one. Let's do this together. Listen closely again. Marta has 8 puppets for the puppet show. Let's draw 8 puppets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. And let's write the number 8 to show. 8 is the whole amount. She takes away some of the puppets to be fixed. Did I say how many went away? No, I didn't. But I did say that some of them went away. So I know that this is a takeaway story. Write the minus sign. I don't know how many got taken away. But I do know that the equal sign goes there. Let's write that. Let me finish the rest of the story. Marta has 5 left. Oh, I know that number can go right here because there's going to be 5 left. How do I figure out how many puppets Marta took away? Listen again. Marta has 8 puppets for the puppet show. Some of them get taken away to get fixed, and now she has 5 left. Pause the video and see if you can figure out how many puppets got taken away. Did you get it? How did you do that? Let's see. I know that she said she has 5 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That must mean that the rest of them got taken away. Now can you tell how many were taken away? Let's see if we have 5 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do. So how many got taken away? 1, 2, 3. That was tricky. Great job. Turn your page. Come on. There we go. All right, kiddos. I don't know why that other page wasn't showing. Let's see if it comes up now. Now it is. All right, kiddos. This page and the next page are homework. I'd like for you to work on this with your grown-up. Remember, bring it to school the next time we see you so that Miss Tia and I can check it. Let's take a look at today's Another Look video before we finish this math lesson.
Do you like mysteries? I do. This picture tells a story. If we look at the clues, we can learn what the story is and write an equation that solves the mystery. The first clue is that there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 apples in all. The second clue is the X's. What do they mean? They tell us that 1, 2, 3, 4 apples were taken away. Aha! Taken away means this is a subtraction equation. So we have 9 apples minus 4 apples. The minus sign means take away. We've almost solved the mystery. All we have to do is find out how many apples are left. We need to find the difference between 9 and 4. There, we have it. 9 minus 4 equals 5. So the story is, there were 9 apples. Then 4 were taken away. 5 apples are left. Yay! We solved the mystery with a subtraction equation. But that leaves us with a new mystery. Who took the 4 apples?
Good job today, kiddos. I'll see you next time.